Good evening. As promised, I am going to get on and show you how I make my DIY laundry soap. It's a dry powder laundry soap as opposed to a liquid option. And for us, it's just a good way for us to reduce toxins and skin irritations from having the chemical and the fragrance laundry soap that you would typically buy at the store. Even though I used to be a big lover of the smell of fresh laundry and the smell of laundry in our breezeway every day from our neighbors that love to do laundry with, I think, like the whole bottle of laundry soap in their washer for every load. That smells up the entire area of our apartment complex. But this is something that we've been able to switch to. It's less toxic and it smells wonderful. And there's a couple customizations that you can make to make it your own and see what you like. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to make it in the container that we store it in because I found that one batch will fit in this container with plenty of room. The first time I made it in a separate bowl and then figured out that it would fit. So this is the recycled container that I actually store it in. And it's an empty trim shake protein powder container that we had laying around because I save all my empties. Save your empties from oil bottles, hand soap bottles, trim shake. You can always DIY and make different things with those containers. So this is laundry soap. There was a couple scoops left. And then I did one part before this because you don't want to watch me grate soap for as long as it took me to grate the bar of soap. So all you're going to need for this recipe is your container that you're going to store it in. You're going to need borax. You're going to need a bar of soap. Wow, that's good lighting. A bar of soap of your choice. So whatever you would normally use for your body soap is fine if you use a bar soap already. I personally love doTERRA's like regular unscented. I'm not really sure what scent that they have on it, bar soap. But what I had in the house already was doTERRA's Serenity Bath Bar. So this is got the smell of Serenity, which is the restful blend, which I think is going to partner really well with washing sheets and towels and all those types of calming things that you would want before bed. So I did go ahead and grate the entire bar. You can use a cheese grater. I have one of the little hand graters. And so you just grate the bar ahead of time so that I didn't have to sit here and grate the whole bar for you. I got this one at the dollar store for literally $1. And so super easy, works well. I've grated multiple bars and it's not cheap or breaking or anything like that. You will also need baking soda. So I just buy Walmart brand, easy peasy. And then you'll also need washing soda. So this is kind of your laundry booster, the guts and guns to the whole thing. And then you will have your oil of choice. So you can choose whatever oil that you like the scent of if you want to customize the soap, if you want to use an unscented soap, or you can do a combination, whatever you like. And so my choice that I like is Purify. So this is the cleansing blend. I just think it smells really good. I diffuse it when we've got like stinky smells in the house. But some other good options would be lemon, lavender, lime, lemongrass, Serenity. If you don't have it in the soap, you could just add Serenity to whatever bar that you're using. Pretty much anything you like the smell of or that's calming to you, or if you want your clothes to have like a wild orange or a citrus, like uplifting scent, you could use something like that. So we're going to use Purify tonight because that's my chosen oil. You can do what you like. So as I said, all you need is the container. And then what I did beforehand was I grated the bar of soap. So you can see that in here. And that's all that is one bar. I chose doTERRA Serenity Bath Bar, grated with the hand grater into the container. That's all it is. All that whole like third of the container is. Okay, and then everything else is just dump and pour and then let it mix, or I just put the lid on and shake the container, and I found that that works pretty well. So the first thing I'm going to add is 1.5 cups of your borax detergent booster. I bought all the your regular products from Walmart. You can get them at most of your regular grocery stores, and then obviously Bath Bar and oils only come from doTERRA because that's all that I know and trust. You could use a Castile soap unscented bar, or whatever you regularly have, but that's what we like. So I've measured out 1.5 cups of the borax, and I'm just going to add that in here to the container. Next, let's do baking soda. So the baking soda, you just need 1 cup. And this doesn't have to be exact. It's really just close measurements. Also, if you wanted to use 1/2 bar of soap or make a double batch, it's really easy to customize. So I've got 1 cup of my baking soda in here, so I'm just going to add that to the container. And then the washing soda, I need 1.5 cups of that as well. So it's nice and concreted for me. I'm not sure if you saw the poll that I did on Friday to ask if you guys wanted to see this or not, and the majority result was, your option was duh, yes, you want to see it, or you don't wash your clothes. And the majority was that people don't wash their clothes. So I decided that you needed to see it anyway. If you don't wash your clothes, you're nasty. So 1.5 cups of the washing soda, and so I'm just going to add that in here. And then last step is your oil of choice. So again, we're going to use Purify, the cleansing blend. So I'm just going to count out 15 drops or so, because I don't really measure, and you just go with what falls. Okay, so that's about 15 drops. And then the easiest thing that I have found is to just put the lid on the container and give it a little shake. If you make it another bowl, you could easily stir it. So I just shake it up. And then the other thing I keep from my old protein powder containers or trim shake containers is the scoop. And so I've measured this out. I think the scoop is 2-ish tablespoons thereabout. So I just use that, and I just do 1 scoop. Throw it in the washer, and it makes a super easy detergent. I even wrote it on here so that James can know exactly how much he needs to put in the laundry. And he used to feel worried about using too much laundry soap or not enough, or how much am I supposed to do, and was super worried about it. And so now he willingly will go get the clothes and throw them in the washer or the towels or whatever. So 1 scoop per load, that's all you need, right on the container. So yeah, I just took the label off of the existing container and wrote it on here. If you've got a pretty container, so be it. Lucky you. I don't. So you just take it and throw the scoop in your washer, and that's all you need. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need to get oils, if you want to get some bath bars to grade up for the laundry soap. I am here, I am available, and I have got 20% off this month. So if you are interested, let me know, and I can get you 20% off your kit, which all all over total, that gives you about 45% off the kit. So have a good Sunday evening. Meal prep done, workout done, church done, laundry soap made. So I am ready to shower and go to bed. So have a good evening. Thank you for watching.